TikTok is now banned in over 15 countries, including India, China, and even on government phones in the US, UK, and EU. But what if you're traveling, studying abroad, or just want to keep watching your favorite creators? Today, I'll show you how to access TikTok from anywhere using a VPN, plus how to download it if it's blocked in your app store. Let's get started. Curious about where TikTok is banned? There are two types of bans to consider. First, government bans. TikTok is fully banned in countries like India, China, and Afghanistan. Second, partial bans. Other nations have implemented partial restrictions, limiting access to the app on work devices used by lawmakers, civil servants, and other employees. This includes countries such as Australia, the United Kingdom, Norway, France, and the Netherlands, all citing concerns over data privacy and national security. Let's get to the juicy part: how to access TikTok from anywhere using VPN. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a tool that provides a secure tunnel for your internet traffic, encrypting your data and hiding your IP address. By using a VPN for TikTok, you can mask your location and make it appear as though you're in a region where TikTok is accessible. Let's show you how to do it. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to get UFO VPN on your device. Then, launch UFO VPN on your device. Select a server where TikTok is available to connect. In this video, we choose the Japan server to connect. Let's check if my IP address has been switched to Japan. Finally, launch TikTok and enjoy your TikTok journey. Why UFO VPN is your best choice for TikTok? First, global servers. Access over 2,000 servers across 50 countries, ensuring a seamless connection no matter where you are. Second, blazing fast speeds. Enjoy smooth TikTok video playback with UFO VPN's built-in speed test feature and advanced protocols designed for high-speed performance. Third, security and privacy. Protect your data with UFO VPN's no-log policy and end-to-end encryption, ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. In the last part, we'll show you how to download TikTok if your country bans it. Here are two ways for Android users. First, use UFO VPN. If TikTok is not in the Google Play Store, no worries. Launch UFO VPN and select a server where TikTok is available, then refresh your Google Play Store and you can get TikTok. Second, download APK files. Launch your browser and search TikTok APK. Then you will get many websites providing APK files, including the official TikTok. Choose a trusted one to download and install. If you are iOS or iPadOS users, the way is to change App Store country. Launch App Store on your device. Tap on your profile and your Apple ID. Then, choose Country and Region and tap on Change Country or Region. Choose the country where TikTok is available, like the United States, Japan, etc. For billing information, you can find a fake address generator website to choose from. After doing that, save it and done. Never let geo-blocks stop your scrolling. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.